In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos to your gallery. Okay, if you're a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open WhatsApp app, then click the chat that you want to stop its videos from going to your gallery or photos. Then click on the three dots. This can apply to group chats or even individual chats. Then click group info. Then tap on media visibility. Make sure you follow every step here, because if you miss it, you'll not be able to do this on your own. Okay, if you can see here, there's default, yes, then there's yes, then no. My current settings allow these group chats to save photos and videos automatically to my phone gallery, but I don't want that. What do? Just tap on no. After tapping on no, click OK. By doing this, WhatsApp will not be able to save media or photos and videos to your phone gallery. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.